Sometimes just petting this cock is all I can do, man. It's all I can do sometimes.
You just keep messing it up.
Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
What up, dudes? PS Mike, Backyard Shenanigans. We're back. Probably wonder where we've been. Haven't been posting very much lately. It's not that I ain't been busy, but just been busy, too busy to be editing. You know, and sometimes I need a break. And I've been wanting to show you guys this guy right here. Woody is coming along, dudes. Been down to Immokalee, been doing a little bit of this kind of recording like Friday nights and a little bit of grudge racing here and there. So I'll throw some of that stuff in here. All right, guys, we got a badass race coming up. We got Raul in the Nova right here. We got Tyler in the Stepside S10. Both are rockets tonight. And they flip for lanes. Raul got the right lane. Tyler got the left lane, running for a couple Hunskies. And yeah, dude, I'm stoked. Are you stoked? Taking the W there in a damn good race, door to door the whole time, dude. Been freaking sweet, pretty freaking sweet, you know what I'm saying? And also, we got to go up to Orlando Speed World, do some filming for Lyle Barnett. I'll throw some of this stuff here. The radio race, it was my first radio race that I have ever been to. Like, and it's a whole nother level of drag racing. I mean, way out of my budget, but dude, every car has like a Pro Line Hemi, big, huge 98mm twin turbo, sick Pro mods, limited drag radio, 275X, Radio versus the World. They got Stevie Fast up there, Lyle Barnett was up there, a whole bunch of big names in drag racing. And then today, I'm gonna be introducing you guys to the Woody Vega. She's bad, she's mean, she's lean. And she ain't green, all right? So we're gonna be doing some Lexan window install on this thing. Gonna be doing the quarter window today, this window. But, had to do a little bit of fiberglass reinforcement here because this was so rusted out. So we're gonna be sanding that down, painting this lip so we don't rust anymore. We got a new little rooster, his name's Jack. He's a bantam rooster. Dude, he's like so small, but he's pretty sick. We got Windsong in the house. Who another video, you know, you guys probably saw his Vin Diesel impression. Obviously very cool. Let's see it again, Windsong. All right. Let me see your best Vin Diesel impression. Oh yeah!
It's such a cool name. It's a good name. Isn't it? Vin Diesel.
All right, so stick around. I'm gonna show y'all how I did my Lexan windows in this badass race car, you know what I'm saying? Might not look like it, but the first 2 days of this video, I just spent cleaning the shop. It's finally decently clean, huh, Winson?
Yeah.
And then the Vega is on its own suspension now. Yep, she's shaking. The fuel cell installed. This is all just things that like I haven't shown anybody. The interior's all painted, it's all black. Gonna be cutting and gutting these doors to do the Lexan. Man, that's some good wood right there. Sweet. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand this all this glass and make a good flat spot to stick that new window in. I mean, I guess the first step was I took the old window out, but. All right, anyways, got this all sanded up. I mean, it ain't perfect, but we ain't shooting for perfect here. You know, right way to do this would probably be to mask it all off and make sure you don't get paint anywhere, but I'm not one to really do things the right way, so cardboard it is. Oh yeah, nothing but the best for Woody, I tell you what. We're getting some good paint on there. Good coverage. This is rebuild in a can right here. You know, rust, you know what? It might say fast drying all-purpose gloss back spray paint, but really, it's a double chunk chocolate chip cookie.
It's a double chunk chocolate cookie.
You know, pretty soon, I think me and my cock and my wiener, we're out of here. Boom, she's black, she's beautiful, she's coated top to bottom. We got both sides done now. So we are ready. First thing we did is we traced this out of cardboard. using our old windows. And when I say we did, I mean Winsong did. It's very good work, Winsong. And then we made sure that the cardboard fit just perfect, and then we traced it right onto our Lexan, which we are now going to cut with a jigsaw. Ka-chow. We cut our template. I cut it just a hair large because I can't add any more to this, but I can continually keep cutting it off. So to avoid cutting it too small the first time, I'm going to, I made it just a hair big. Let's see how it fits. Too big. I guess I gotta tack that above. But anyway, she's like almost perfect, guys. Now, I've already fit this in here. Now we're doing it for the video. But we're gonna trim that off. We're gonna trim this corner off. And we're just gonna cut small, so then hopefully we have a small air. You know what I'm saying? You with me, dudes? You with me? Cool. So this template is done. The window's in there like swimwear, baby. All right, so we got this thing all cut to fit. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna mark out where our screws are gonna go. I'm gonna measure it in probably every 4 or 5 inches, I don't know. I'm just gonna see whatever looks good. And then I'm gonna pre-drill the hole in the window, but not in the thing. And then I'm gonna use stuff tappers and go right into the metal that is behind it. Gonna be sweet. Ka-chow. All right, Winsong is stuffing this windows full of caulk. We got all of our holes pre-drilled. Nice. And then gonna take off the protective coating and we're gonna drill it right on the windshield, or right into the window seal, so wish us luck. You ever had someone cheer you on while you laid caulk?
No.
Let's go, Winsong! Come on, baby! Lay that caulk! Hey, speaking of caulk. What's up? You know, I don't want to work here anymore.
And every job is like an impossible job.
All right, dudes, here we go. Looking sick. We took the protective coating off. It looks bad to the bone. All right. Now we're gonna just self-tap her in here. Hopefully this goes well. Easy, man, easy. All right, dude, it's been several days. It's been a lot of work. I had to take the door off for the driver door. We gutted it. I got these, check it out. Got these crash bars out right here. I got the old window frame, the door skin, everything. Probably lost with the window, probably pretty close to 60 pounds per door, I would say. The thing was heavy, dude. And so now I scraped all the crap out of here, you know. It was all like this tar. It's probably asbestos. Hopefully I don't get cancer from it. You know, and then, I mean, God willing, come on. Anyways, and then I'm gonna clean up the edges here. And then we're gonna be making a template for the new window out of Lexan. All right, now I'm gonna throw a little paint on this inside the door.
Okay.
Winsong, I was talking to the video, man, not you.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Can a guy talk to himself, huh? Maybe down on power a little bit. Shit. You know, if we had the right tools, I think everything would probably go a lot smoother.
I don't think Mike knows what he's doing.
All right, so we jumped ahead of ourselves. Oh, whoa, what's going on here? Got Vin Diesel over there, dude. Anyway, so I jumped ahead of myself and I didn't film this part, but I did a template right here. And it's pretty sick, you know, but the problem is with the cardboard templates, I didn't have a big, solid sheet of cardboard. And so we're bent right here. And so it's too flexible to make a good template out of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the glass and we're gonna go straight onto the Lexan. We're gonna cut onto the line. We're gonna put the line around the edge and then we're gonna cut on the outside of the line. So there's no way, God willing, that it's gonna be too small. Hopefully it's like, if anything, just a little big and we can trim it down, you know what I mean? So here we go. Dang, look at that wind song right there, huh?
Yeah.
Get zoomed in on your face, Gabe. All right, so you got our Lexan in now. It's all in that groove. You think it's good, wind song? What you think?
Me?
Yeah.
I think it's perfect.
It's perfect, man. From the actual glass window, we left just the track on that side. You can see there. All right, change of plans. We actually have enough up in the track, so we put a screw right here, go straight through the Lexan, screw right here, go straight through the Lexan, there, and there. As opposed to doing that janky stuff on the back. We'll see if it works. If it doesn't work, we'll change it up next time. So here comes the final product. Winsong, you got grease all over your gloves, bro. Are you greasing my cock up or what? I can't help myself with this shit, dude. It's too much. It's too much. And now presenting the Woody Vega. Oh my gosh. She's bad, Winsong. She's super bad. Oh my gosh. All right, so anyways, guys. Lexan. One screw here, one screw here, one screw there, and one screw there. It feels pretty solid to me. We got the ones for the back right there. That's it, guys. That's all she wrote. Lexan install. Now, obviously, I don't have a hatch, but we'll get one, we'll build one, and I still gotta do the windshield, but that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm gonna cut it to size and screw it in all these holes, no big deal. And then I gotta do the other side still, but there she is, guys, looking fresh. You got me in focus there, right?
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure this is how you, if you need to scoot your car over, this is how you do it. You just grab it like this. Here we go. She's light, baby, she's light. Oh, I think I went too far that way. I guess we'll just have to go this way. I don't know if I can do it this way. It's my strong hand going the other way. All right.
But at the end, we get it done.
Anyways, guys, I have struggled through this a lot, but we made it. So thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, drop a comment what you think I should have did differently, because I know y'all are full of it. So just let me know what you guys think I should have did differently. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.